guys, what's up? And welcome back. It's Aurora Fedora. And we are playing Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. What is notoriously known as a notoriously bad game. And we're gonna see just why. I guess we start as Dr. Jekyll. Alright, well that's easy. Ah! Whoa. Okay, so I've got okay. Alright, well. This is oh god! Ah! What? Yeah. Run away, you. What? What? Are you kidding me? What? He just lays a bomb and ah! What? What is going on? What are these things? Ah! What? What? That's the game. That is the game. Kids pea shoot at me. Strangers I attack lay bombs. What? Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. Okay. What the... Ah! What? Why? But they didn't attack me before. Oh god! Fuck you! Why would you do that? Ah! Go away, boy. Oh god. God, what? Go away. Enough of this. Enough of your shenanigans. Hey, have I? Ah! Yeah. Run, boy. Run for your life. Go away. Jeez. Wow, this is... I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit... I mean, it seems kind of intuitive, but at the same time, what the hell? Why do pea shooters matter? Why do these guys feel like they need to lay bombs down? Go away. Jeez. What the fuck is this with the cat? This doesn't even make sense. Ah, God. Ah, no. Go away. There are bombs going off. Okay, alright. Avoid the cat. Guess fuck the cat. Fuck. What? It's not doing it. What? Okay, alright. Now we avoid the cat. Okay, so the cat does this reeling thing and then we avoid... Seriously, what are you doing laying bombs down anyway? What? I think we have a little... I think we have something more to worry about than just, you know... Oh, I'm Jekyll, and, you know, I've got problems with my, you know, bipolar personality or something. We just have rampant dogs, and people laying freaking bombs everywhere. I don't know about you. I honestly, I don't know what to tell you, but... What am I even doing? Am I just going right? I just spent, like, the last few minutes walking alongside a wall. Do I go to the door? What do I even... Okay. Alright, I guess this is World 2 or something. Okay, alright, avoid the poo, I guess. Yeah, avoid the fucking poo! From the freaking crow who's like... Good God, you're just like... This crow is just like... Good grief! Ah, nuts. Alright, we're going full Hyde. Okay. Now I have to deal with all this kind of fucktardery! Okay. I did like this thing where I'm just sliding. That was kind of a thing. And the game's over. I don't know what to tell you guys. This game doesn't make sense. Like, why does a bird crapping on you deal damage? What the fuck is wrong with the you know what? No, I'm not doing this. As much like as much fun as it would be to just watch me do this and deal with this guy, Dr. Jekyll, with his notes and his vials and what do I even say about this game? I mean, it doesn't even make sense. I guess I see what they were kind of going for, but there's hardly a point to it. Like what? I just walk and stuff happens? You get damage from being crapped on by birds. That's this game. That's the summation of this game. Getting crapped on by birds deals damage, and that's I'm done with this. Okay, yeah, all right. See you guys next time or something. Yeah.